Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by duplicating the background layer so your original stays safe. Use quick selection or the pen tool to grab the subject. Make precise initial edges because that saves time later. Once selected, create a layer mask and hide the background. Make sure to toggle view to 100% to check details, and enable rulers or guides to align edges. These little controls prevent sloppy cuts and let you move straight into refining without redoing work. Once your mask exists, open Select and Mask and refine the silhouette with Smooth, Feather, and Shift Edge to remove halos. Use the Refine Edge brush along hair and soft fabrics so fine strands stay natural. Export the result to a new layer with Mask and place a clean studio background layer beneath it. Match exposure and color with levels or curves. You want consistent lighting. Therefore, sample background color using the eyedropper and nudge color with a color balance or photo filter for realism. Finish by matching color and light so the subject sits believably in the studio background. Use curves, levels, and the match color command for global balance. Then paint a soft shadow on a separate layer, lower opacity, and blur to ground the subject. If things go wrong, like a visible halo, zoom to 100%, refine the mask edges, and sample surrounding pixels with the clone stamp or healing brush. This fixes persistent artifacts and gives a crisp, pro-looking final image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.